Welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Nintendo account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to click Nintendo account. And click account settings. Click sign in and security settings. And next to password, you want to click edit. You want to enter in your current password and click OK. And then here you can type in your new password and click submit. It might also ask you to go check your inbox for a message from Nintendo containing a code. So you want to enter in the code and then it will take you to this screen. If you're logged out, you can try accessing Nintendo from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of the accounts on your screen now, you can try logging in via those methods and changing your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to the Nintendo login page and you want to click Forgot Your Password. And you want to enter in your email address and click Submit. Then you want to go check your email for a message from Nintendo. The email should look like this, and there should be a URL to change your password. So you want to click that in the email. And then it'll ask you to either enter your date of birth or your nickname. So I'll just do date of birth. And click submit. Then you want to go ahead and enter in your new password and click submit. If you can't find your account information, then you'll need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to the Nintendo support page. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And then you want to select the region that you're in. So I'll select US English. Then you want to scroll all the way down and click Contact Us at the far right. And you can choose to contact them with the 24/7 methods. But if you want to contact them quickly and with the human, you can choose the options underneath contact support. So you can either choose to chat with them through the chat, send them a text, or give them a call at these numbers. Once you've regained access to your account, make sure to follow the security tips on your screen now to protect your account and prevent future hacks. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.